Hello students, hope so everyone is fit and fine. Everyone is studying at home. So now students, we will start our computer class. Everyone has taken out the computer books in front of you. So students, we was in your chapter number 9 and the name of the chapter was Introduction to PowerPoint 2013. So, I have explained to you in my last class about presentation, PowerPoint, slides. How can we start PowerPoint 2013? Yes or no? As well as I have given you the question and answers related to my last day's explanation. I think so everyone has learned those answers that you have written in your copies. Everyone has written down the answers, written down that 5 answers that I have given in your last day, as well as I am expecting that everyone has learned those answers. Yes or no? So now students, today we will go to another next topic, that is your parts of the PowerPoint 2000 window. So parts of the PowerPoint 2000 window you will get in your page number 115. Okay, you will get in your page number 115. Everyone is taken out to your page number 115. In there you see in page number 115, the first part of your PowerPoint 2000 window is Quick Access Toolbar. So, Quick Access Toolbar, it contains the buttons for the most commonly used commands such as a save, undo and redo. So, in this Quick Access Toolbar, you will get certain types of commands. Okay, you will get your certain types of buttons. Okay, for example, you can say you will get your save option, undo option and your redo option. Save option means if you want to save any sort of item or if you want to save any sort of picture, image, okay. Here in your PowerPoint you need to save your presentation, then you can go for your save button. Okay, undo. Undo means what? Undo means you have made a presentation but you have forgot to enter any other slide. Okay, so here with the help of an undo option you can again give another image. Okay, you can add another image to your presentation. Clear? Redo means what? Whatever you have finished it, you want to view back it again. Clear? Then come to the next one, next part of your PowerPoint window, that is your title bar. It is displayed at the top of the PowerPoint window. It displays the name of the presentation currently open. To the right of the title bar, there are 3 buttons: minimize, maximize, restore button and close. So here in the title bar, you will get 3 buttons. Okay, you will get your minimize button. Now if you want to make your image, okay, if you want to make your image or presentation in a small size, okay, you want to make it in a very small size, that is your minimize button. Maximize means it is bigger than your minimize, that is your maximize button. And close button, I think so everyone knows, if you need to close your item, exit your presentation, you have to go to your close button. Clear? Then the third one is your ribbon. It is displayed just below the title bar. So this ribbon is present in your just below of your title bar. It contains multiple tabs. The tabs contain the commands divided into groups. So here in this ribbon tab, okay, in this ribbon tab you will find there are certain groups. Okay, there are certain groups, or you can say there are your multiple tabs, means more than one tab. Then number 4 is your dialog box launcher. It is an icon that opens. It is an icon that appears in some groups at the bottom right corner. On clicking, a related dialog box opens that provides more commands related to that group. So here dialog box launcher, you will find there are certain groups in the bottom right corner. Okay, and if you require or if you want to see there any option, you can see there. Next one is your number 5th part, that is your slide navigation pane. The slide navigation pane allows you to view all the slides in your presentation. So slide navigation pane means if you want to display, if you need to see, okay, or if you want to view the slides that you have made for a presentation, you can see in your slide navigation pane. The selected slide will appear in the slide pane to the right. You can add, delete, duplicate or rearrange slides in the slide navigation pane. So here if you need to add a slide or if you want to delete a slide or if you want to make multiple copy, duplicate means what? Multiple copies of a slide, or you want to rearrange the slide in a sequential manner or in an ordered item, you can go for your slide navigation pane. Clear? This 5 points I think so is clear to everyone. Then you come to the 6th point. Okay, that is the 6th part of your PowerPoint. That is in your page number 116. 6th one is your ruler. Okay, the 6th one is your ruler. There are 2 rulers, vertical and horizontal, located at the top and to the left of the current slide. The ruler makes it easy to align text and objects on the slide. So here the next one is your ruler. And how many types of ruler are there? There are 2 types of ruler. One is your vertical ruler and another is your horizontal ruler. Clear? This ruler is basically used to make the correct position of our text or image. Align means what? To put in a correct position. Position of what? Position of your text, alphabet, words or images, pictures. Clear? So how many types of ruler are there, students? There are 2 types of ruler. One is your vertical ruler and the next one is your horizontal ruler. Clear? Then you will come to the 7th one. 7th one is your slide pane. A slide is displayed in the slide pane at the center of the PowerPoint window. You can view and edit a slide in the slide pane. So slide pane means what? Where all the presentations that you have created with the help of your slide, it will be presented in your slide pane. Clear? Then the 8th one. The 8th one is your placeholder. It is dotted rectangular box on a slide that holds text, image, etc. So here this is your placeholder. Placeholder, you can say it is a rectangular box where you will find in the corner you will get a small square. Okay, you will get small square to hold your particular slide. Okay, to hold your particular slide. In that particular rectangular box in the 4 corners, you will find small squares in the corner side where you can place the box, place the rectangle box. Then the 9th one. The 9th one is your notes. Okay. This area is used to add notes to the current slide, also known as speaker note. Now here note means you can say any sort of information, okay, any sort of notes you want to add here, you can add it. And it is also known as your speaker note. So 9th point is clear. Now come to the 10th one. Comments. Reviewers can leave comments on any slide. Click comments to view the comment for the current slide. Comments means whoever looks at your presentation or whoever has displayed your presentation, if they need to comment or if they need to say anything by seeing your presentation, they can leave in your comment box. Okay, they can leave their suggestions, feedbacks in their comment box. Clear, students? Then you come to your view button. View button is your number 11. Okay, view button is your number 11. You can view the slides using one of the following buttons. So in view button, how many points you will get? How many buttons you will get? Normal, slide sorter, reading view and your slideshow. So in view button, how many options you are getting? In view button, you will get here 4 options. One is your normal, second one is slide sorter, third one is reading view, and the fourth one is slideshow. So, in the normal view you see here, it is the default view. This view shows a slide navigator pane and the selected slide. So, in the normal view, whatever you are selected, whatever the presentation you have created, all the slides will appear in your normal view. Then you come to the slide sorter. It displays miniature form of all the slides in a presentation. Miniature forms means what? A small piece. Okay, small. If you have made your presentation including 5 slides. Okay, you have made a presentation where you have added 5 slides. In that 5 slide, all these 5 slide will be appeared in a miniature form. Miniature means small pieces. Okay, small rectangular squares. Okay, in small rectangular square, it will appear in your presentation. That is your slide sorter. That is your miniature form. Clear? Then you will come to your reading view. It hides all the editing tools to make your slide easier to review. So here you can see in the reading view, here the tools will be edited. Tools means here the tools is not going to display it on the screen. It is in your hidden position. Then next one, the last one is your slideshow. The last view button is your slideshow. It displays the slides in presentation one by one on the screen. So this slideshow is going to appear one by one in your presentation. I think so these 4 view buttons are clear to everyone. Normal button, slide sorter button, reading view button, and your slideshow button. Clear? So the next one, that is number 12. Number 12 is your zoom control. Zoom control. By the name itself, you can say that this is zoom control. This zoom control will help us to zoom in and zoom out of your presentation, of your objects. Yes or no? Click and drag the slider to use the zoom control. The number to the right of the slider reflects the zoom percentage. You can also click the feed slide to current window button to the right of the zoom control. Means here, when you are zooming an item, okay, when you are zooming in an item or else you are zooming out an item, in the right corner of your slide, you will find there are certain percentage. Now, when you are increasing the object, okay, when you are increasing an object, you will find that in the right corner of your slide, the percentage are displayed. It means how much percentage you are increasing or decreasing your item. Clear? Then the last one, the last part of your PowerPoint is your scroll bar. So here you will get 2 types of scroll bar. One is your vertical scroll bar and the next one is your horizontal scroll bar. Click, hold and drag the scroll bar depending on what part of the slide you want to see. Now here scroll bar is of 2 types, vertical scroll bar and horizontal scroll bar. Now if you want to go to the vertical side, you have to scroll the button, scroll the bar. Yes or no? If you want to move in the horizontal side, that one also you have to scroll it in your mouse. Clear? This much is clear to everyone? So students, parts of the PowerPoint 2000 window, how many points you have got? All total you have got 13 parts of your PowerPoint window. First one is quick access toolbar, number 2 title bar, number 3 ribbon, number 4 dialog box launcher, 5th one slide navigation pane, 6th one ruler, 7th is slide pane, 8 is placeholder, 9 is note, 10 is command, 11 view buttons, 12 is zoom control, and the last, okay, the last but not the least is your scroll bar. So clear students, no doubts regarding this? Yes or no? So today I have explained you about parts of your PowerPoint 2000 window. So students, if you find any doubt regarding these parts of the PowerPoint window, you are going to call me up, or you can call me up at any time, or else you can throw me a message. Okay, you can give me a message. Clear, students? So what's your homework today? You are going to go through this parts of the PowerPoint 2000 window as your homework. Okay, you are going to go through this parts, this 13 parts. Clear? In my next class, I am going to explain you how we can create a new presentation. Clear, students? No doubts regarding this? So, students, now I am winding up my class here. Thank you to all and take care of yourselves.